Okay, general term of an AP is nothing but you can see any AP, A plus D, A plus 2D. This is the general form we are saying where A is the first term, that means the starting of that AP, correct? Starting term. And if we add common difference to that one, you will get the second term, that is A2 here. And again, if we add D to this one, that means D plus D, A plus D plus D, that means A plus 2D. Correct? This is called the general form. Is it? Yeah, we can say here also we can say D, maybe 0D, maybe more than 0 or less than 0. Now, what do you mean by nth term of AP? So nth term of AP, how you will get? If there is only, I am writing here, if there is only one term, correct? So I am writing here one term. That means A1, first term. There is only one term, you will get A only. Is it? If there are two terms, then second term how you will get? If we add the common difference to the first term. Is it? A plus 1D. And A3 how you will get? A plus 2D. Yes, getting X plus A4, A plus 3D and so on so on. If there are n number of terms, then how you will get? A plus, yeah, look here, 3, if this is 4, this become 3. This is 3, this is 2. That means this is n minus 1 into d. Correct? So this is the nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is the number of terms. Correct? That maybe if it is infinite in AP, there should be given, isn't it? Find the nth term, 20th term, find the 25th term, like that. Is it? That should be n there. And A is the first term and D is the common difference. And then all these given here, we can find out an. Correct? And from this equation, if it's given, an is given, correct? This is given and common difference given, correct? And then A is given, A given, and you are asked to find out number of terms that we can calculate, correct? Using the same formula. Understood? So let's take some examples and then go ahead. Here it's given, yeah, find the first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given below. So the first one is very simple. A and D are given 10 each, isn't it? I'm going to do this one, second one, and then I'm going to do the third one and this last, fifth one. All others you can try. Okay. So here the second one we can write here. A is given here minus 2 and D is given equal to 0. So you are asked to write first four terms of this AP. So A it is 2 minus 2, correct? The term we can say the AP it is in the form A plus D, then A plus 2D, yeah, and then A plus 3D, is it? So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, correct? So this is minus 2 and A plus D becomes 0 is adding, you will get again minus 2. If 2D, even then 2D become 2 into 0, 0, again you will get the same, is it? And minus 2, the 4 terms we got. It's now, it is not a finite term, it will go ahead, right? It's not given finite, okay? So you are asked to write only first 4 terms, so you can write only 4 terms, correct? And you can leave like that. And the second one, here I am going to take this question, which is A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. So we can write here 4, then A plus D become 4 plus minus 3. 4 plus minus 3 become 1. Yeah, 4 minus 3 become 1. Correct. Then 1 minus 3 become 1 minus 3. Isn't it? So D should be added. So minus 3, adding minus 3 means subtract 3. You will get minus 2. One more. Minus 2 minus 3 become minus or minus. How 6? Yeah. A plus 2D it is getting here. That's I'm writing here. Let me. This one you have confusion, right? Let us start with this first term. First term we are given. Second term you will get 4 plus minus 3 that become 1. Is it? Again this is 1. 1 plus minus 3 into that means if we subtract this one, minus 3 into 2 become minus 6. Is it? Yeah. So we are getting how much it is? If we subtract minus 3, getting to 1 minus, here it is, you should subtract d from each term, isn't it? So you will get 4 you subtracted. That is, I am saying A is given, D is given. How to write all the 4 terms? Simply subtract. Leave this one. I am saying simply subtract which one? Yeah, sorry, it's just a minute. Yeah, simply what you should do here, first term, write the first term and then add 3 to that one to get. So adding 3, 4 plus minus 3. No doubt in this one. It's getting 1. Is it? Yeah, 1 we will get. And from this one again you should add it 3 minus, add minus 3, isn't it? 1 plus minus 3, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah, 1 plus minus 3 become 1 minus 3. That's why I am getting minus 2 here. Understood or not? So it become minus 3 and one more needed. Minus 2, sorry, minus 2 and minus 2 minus 3 become minus 5. So all these 4 terms we got 4, 1, yeah. Consecutive terms difference it's given here, isn't it? 4, 1, minus 2 and 5. One more we can do here. Let me write that one also. Then yes, simply another one we can write here, which is A is equal to minus 1.25 and D is equal to 0.25. That also minus. Sorry, it's minus. So what you will get if we add both of these, is it? So A plus D minus 1.25 minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. What you will get? Adding both of these? 5. Correct. Minus 1.50. Yeah, by 1.5. Again, if we add minus 0.25 to this one, you will get minus 1.75. And one more term we will get. That is minus 1.75 plus minus 1.75. Simply both of these are minus, we can add without the sign and then put the common sign, right? So this become 0.25. Is it? 0 should be here. So what you will get? 1.75 plus 2. Add it. So 10, then 9 plus 1, 10. Again getting 1, 2. It's it. So we are getting minus 2. Understood? So if we add both of these, you will get 1.75 plus 0.25. You will get 2 there. So this is the way. Understood well? Okay.